The Ceramics Club is an art club where we mostly focus on like pottery making. And kids will come in either and we'll do group projects or we'll start them on their own individual projects. The City of Riverside is doing this monarch migration walk along Line Creek Trail. And what they're doing is they're commissioning artists to support monarch migration. They picked 3 schools, one elementary, one middle, and one high school. So we're the high school that they picked, and then they also picked some commissioned artists to also do some pieces along the trail. As we started creating more tiles, obviously we can't hand paint so many tiles with only 3 or 4 people. So we started recruiting other people in the art classes at Park Hill South, and that's how we got most of them created and made to assemble for the project. Now that each tile has been painted individually, we're going to assemble them on this bench-like structure. It's a big cylinder. We're going to put all the hand-painted ones, the ones that are in really detail, on the top so that people can view them and really see what our theme was and looking into monarch migration. And then we're going to cover the sides in these small multicolored tiles just for the fun effect. It's great in both senses. One, and for art, because it really gives you a theme that you can work towards. So the theme was monarch migration, so you can look at butterflies, you can look at the life cycle, you can look at the patterns on the wings and all those types of things. And then the second part is community service, right, in a sense. And so having a piece that you know that will last for 10 years in a place that you've lived and that you work next to is really great, and it makes you feel like you're contributing things.